LinkedIn or YouTube? Where should you do your videos?
Hey from the future, it's String. I'm about to throw some epic knowledge bombs and fried chicken at you. Get ready.
If you want to do videos, there's a difference between YouTube and LinkedIn. Let's talk about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is all about the feed experience. That means short form content is the way to go. Because at the end of the day, video is all about the attention economy. So you want to leverage the first 10 seconds for both YouTube and LinkedIn videos, but make sure that you do a 2-minute video and talk about the feed experience. So LinkedIn cares more about frequency of content. So if you want to be on top of mind, that means you have to push more and more content. YouTube is all about discoverability, meaning that you have to make sure that you could use tagging as a way to discover your videos. So it's a great portfolio site. So when it comes to videos, YouTube is all about discoverability and LinkedIn is all about the feed and frequency. If you want to watch more videos and have more tips about video marketing, follow my channel.
Hey, it's String. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the future, marketing and startups.
Or I'd really like to have fried chicken to parties too.